Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take an in-depth look at a building material, aluminum glass railing profiles. Whether you're looking to elevate your home, office, or any public space, this modern material will change your life. Come along for the ride. First of all, what is an aluminum glass railing profile? In a nutshell, aluminum glass railing profile is a modern building material that combines aluminum alloy and glass. This innovative material is becoming increasingly popular in residential, commercial, and public spaces. From large space-filling balconies to elegant staircases, aluminum glass balustrade profiles are versatile enough to meet any design aesthetic. But what makes it so special? Let's analyze it. First of all, aluminum alloy profiles are widely used in the manufacture of glass balustrades due to their lightweight and high strength. This material not only reduces the weight of the overall structure, but also provides enough strength to ensure safety. Corrosion resistance. Aluminium has excellent corrosion resistance and can withstand the effects of various weather conditions, extending the service life of the railing. This makes aluminium profiles particularly suitable for outdoor use, such as railings around patios and swimming pools. Aluminum glass railing profiles are designed for easy assembly. For example, some models feature a weld-free assembly design, making the installation process simpler and faster. Users can install glass panels and aluminium profiles in simple steps, reducing the need for specialist tools and techniques. In addition, aluminium glass railing profiles offer a modern and aesthetically appealing look that can match a variety of architectural styles. The combination of clear glass panels and aluminium frames not only ensures a wide field of vision, but also enhances the overall aesthetics. We offer original and customized aluminum glass railing profile. Feel free to contact us if you're interested in learning more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again.